Every day for the last 5 days, Daniel Chege Kimodo has risen early and rushed to Chiromo mortuary, hoping to find clues as to the fate that befell his younger brother, Ayub, a student at Garissa University. But his search has borne no fruit.
The identification process is on, but for our case, we're yet to know about the fate of my brother.
Chege welcomed the news that the government would use fingerprints to identify the bodies at the mortuary, but the process hasn't moved as fast as he would have liked. Early Tuesday, the team of pathologists reported that over 100 bodies had been identified.
We have a total of 101 people who have been identified. We're still working on the others, which the process is continuing. In the course of the day, we'll be able to hopefully, be able to identify all of them.
By the end of the day, all but 23 bodies had been positively identified. The last 23, however, posing a problem. It would be reported that the rate of decomposition meant that it would be very difficult to identify them, even through their fingerprints. Confusion already beginning to reign as several families claimed the same bodies. This in turn causing relatives to interrogate the numbers. 144 students were reported dead following the attack, while 109 others were injured. 567 students who escaped unhurt were reunited with family members. From this tally, 820 students are accounted for, but could there be even more students missing from the lists? According to the Inspector General of Police, Joseph Boynet, the police service has nothing to hide. He says that officers combed through the scene of the attack and moved and accounted for all the bodies. The Ministry of Health has announced that once the identification process is complete, it will cater for all burial expenses.
The Ministry of Health, in collaboration with the Kenya Red Cross Society, has already ordered for 142 coffins for all the victims and will also cater for the transport costs to the respective homes for burial. We will provide an initial amount of Kenya shillings 100,000 per deceased student.
Family members with missing relatives now hoping to find answers in the identities of the last few bodies. But if their loved ones aren't found among them, where then could they be? Wilkister Nyabwa for The Big Question.